Okay, be honest. How many links do you click every single day? 10? 30? Maybe 50? Emails, Slack, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. They keep coming, and you click because it looks fine. That's the one that starts a breach. Suddenly your security team is chasing you. IT is involved. Leadership wants answers, all because of one click. Stop. CyberCheck360 Link Inspector sits right inside your browser. Every link you click, every page you land on, every redirect. Checked automatically against global threat databases in real time. You're protected before you even visit. And for the ones that slip through, advanced analysis kicks in after you land. Even zero-day phishing doesn't get through. Same browser, just one extension. You're finally protected on every click. Available on Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Try it today.